or welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. Now, I've seen in the comments some of you are looking for non phone jobs that are not healthcare. Also, I've seen some people looking for part time. So, that is kind of what I have for you today. We have lots of non phone jobs. One involves like editing content, one involves answering emails, answering Slack messages, so like non phone customer support. That one does pay anywhere from $75,000 a year up to $90,000 a year. So, a high paying one. I even have two part time jobs to share. One, you can work when you want to, set your own schedule, evaluating data. And another one is reviewing applications and application information. And it is from well known John Hopkins University. So, hopefully, I have a mixed bag, a little bit of something for everyone. As always, links, timestamps, all additional information is always in the YouTube description box below this video. Now, starting off, first up, we have a StitchFix hiring. Now, StitchFix is a company that does a like mail order for clothes where you can kind of get clothes shipped to you, try them out, test them out, things like that. They have 2,800 reviews from past and current employees, and overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an associate CRM. This is remote for the United States. Everything that I'm sharing is for the United States only. Normally, CRM in the business world means customer relationship management system. So you are kind of going to be there to own key strategic pillars of the company's business and execute initiatives within the CRM organization. So you're really leading and executing initiatives across the life cycle, transactional and batch programs, including highly personalized, scalable campaigns. So you're probably working with marketing, helping with campaigns. How are you going to drive business that relates to customers? Also, how are you going to keep customers loyal? So you're really there to support the life cycle strategies, building robust programs for millions of their clients. So you are also going to have to do lots of reporting, leveraging those analytics to measure campaign performance, and of course, driving customer engagement. Now, while they don't require any kind of college degree, they are looking for somebody who has 3 to 5 years experience in some kind of CRM marketing or hands-on experience in e-commerce. So you've led or executed large-scale projects before. You're a self-starter. You can take ownership. You can adapt to building a strong cross-functional relationships with other people in different departments, like maybe engineering and customer service, since you are really focused on customer initiative products in this job or projects. I'm sorry. And so you need to be somebody who understands a customer mindset and just be very customer focused. Now, this one does pay fairly decent if you have that experience. It's anywhere from $78,000 a year up to $104,000 a year. Now, next up, we have the company Human Interest Hiring. Human Interest has 365 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 4.0 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a content editor. This again, remote for the United States. Now, Human Interest is in kind of like the financial field. They help businesses offer different financial solutions to their employees, and they are looking for somebody to address communications through Slack, through email. So, different communication channels like this. The next job is Slack and email as well. But for this one, you're going to be copy editing and proofreading content for clarity, accuracy, and adhering to their style guides and legal requirements. So this means any documentation that's going out, any newsletters, any articles that's going out in regards to financial information, you are going to be fact checking and verifying that the data is correct. You're doing research and claims to ensure all published content and communications are accurate and legally compliant. There is laws against financial financial institutions putting out information. So you're making sure that nothing goes out with incorrect information, because there could be legal consequences to that. So you're doing a lot of research, a lot of fact checking. And then, of course, copy editing, making sure those correct grammar is used, those periods, exclamation points are used correctly. So you are just serving as the critical quality control checkpoint for reviewing and editing sales, customer success, product communications, all different types of communications that are going out from this company. Now, while they say a bachelor degree in like communications, marketing, or journalism is a nice to have, it is absolutely not required for this position as long as you have experience in research journalism, editing, or some kind of information background. So, 4 to 7 years of that, and you have great attention to detail, you have great command of grammar, punctuation, you have a deep curiosity for research and data. So you don't mind digging into the depths, doing all the Google, reading the articles, and they want somebody who kind of has experience in financial field, fintech, or at least you can demonstrate a foundational knowledge of requirements around the industry. Pay for this one again is very high, anywhere from $70,000 a year up to $80,000 a year. Now, this next one doesn't really have a Glassdoor score or Glassdoor reviews, but it does have a Glassdoor page. But I will be sharing in a moment some reviews from Google. So I have done some research on this company and it can be trusted, but the company is Sully AI. And they are looking for a technical support specialist. Now, this is going to be a contract role in the United States. And this, again, you're going to be handling online tickets through Intercom, Slack, and email. Now, Intercom is kind of like a messaging thing, a ticketing system where basically they put in like an online ticket, but it comes to you in an email. So a lot of this will be like answering those emails. So this is non-phone tech support. Now, when you Google Sully AI reviews, just looking at Google, there are Reddit comments on it about Scribe Health versus Sully. And then even Google's own AI says Sully AI reviews are overwhelmingly positive. User praised the ability to reduce physician burnout. So this is like a computer system or software system or platform that healthcare and physicians use. And again, they're just looking for somebody to do that technical support for that platform, remote for the United States, and salary is anywhere from $75,000 a year up to $90,000 a year. And of course, you're answering 50 tickets a day through Intercom, Slack, and answering those emails, triaging and troubleshooting using like Google Cloud Console or Firebase. Of course, when you're doing this, you're documenting the incidents into the computer system, just driving clear customer communication through those non-phone channels, giving all the tech support, kind of helping where you can. They require you to be available East Coast hours and be available on call if someone needs help. You can log in and kind of help them and then log back out. They want somebody who's had 2 years of experience in some kind of a tech support. You know how to use like software programs. You're fluent in using like Gmail, ticketing systems, Slack, like on those online systems, but no college degree is needed. Now, these last two jobs I'm sharing are going to be for those of you who are looking for part-time positions. This one from the RWS Group allows you to log in and work when you want to. So you can kind of set your own hours, set your own schedule. If you're looking for that flexibility, they have 1,500 reviews with an overall rating of 3.5 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an AI data specialist, again, part time, remote. And this means that they're looking for somebody to work 10, maybe 15 hours a week, but mainly 10 hours a week. Flexible, work when you want to. They're looking for someone who can start immediately and work through the end of December, the end of the year, with a possible extension working a little bit longer. But they're just looking for somebody to help collect data, evaluate the data, and annotate data. So annotating data means marking it up and tagging it, basically. So you're doing pairwise comparisons of the data. You're comparing the two datas. You're also doing counting tasks, like how many times, I've seen this before. It's like you have to watch a video or look at an image. How many times did something happen? Like if you're watching a video, how many times did someone bend down to pick something off the floor in that video? So a lot of like object tagging and labeling across different content like audio, video, images, completely non-phone. Now, this does say the pay rate is location based and will be given to you when you sign up based on your location in the market that you're in. Now, last but not least, we have the John Hopkins University hiring. They probably need no introduction. They have 4,400 reviews and a high employee satisfaction rating at 4.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for an part-time applications reader for their admission and financial aid department. This remote position requires to work 20 to 40 hours a week, and it is going to be a temporary position starting in October, going through mid-March of 2026. And they're basically looking for somebody to review biodata, transcript, test essays, resumes, and recommendations for each application who is put in an application in, and you are going to do a thorough bio summary and ranking. So you're going to have to look at these applications, look at the information included in their applications, and kind of rank them. So you're completing the evaluations per the department's standards and timelines. You're going to be given that scoring that you need to go by. The only thing about this one is it is going to require a bachelor degree and at least 1 year of some kind of a related experience, either like in applications, in education, something like that. They want somebody who is proficient in using a basic computer application, strong time management skills, somebody who kind of is sensitivity in the needs of different groups of students, so you are not kind of that biased, somebody who is strong analytical and reading skills. Now, pay for this one is anywhere from $19.75 an hour up to $35.35 an hour. With the target salary, they're trying to pay anywhere between really $20 and $25 an hour, but they will go up to $35 depending on your experience. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.